Hey, it's your guy DJ Bishop, property manager by day, DJ by night. Back with another video. This time I'm reviewing Easy Out, and what this is Easy Out strip screw remover. Okay, let me show you where you can get it from. Get it right here on Amazon. So if you got damaged screws, you know, like when you screwing something and then you strip it out and then you like start cussing at yourself like darn it, God darn it, blah blah blah, boop, boop, boop. Yeah, that kind of stuff. So when you do that and you strip your screw, they got a nice little kit here that you can buy, and then you can use one end to drill it out and the other end to pull it out. Okay, I guess that's how that works. So remove stripped or damaged screws. So it's supposed to be highest quality material. So this is it right here. It comes in a nice little package. Nothing too fancy. Basically that's it, you know. Biting action allows power of the drill to torque out stubborn screws. Easy to use with 3.5 inch 3/8 variable speed reverse drill. So you basically drill it out, flip the bit, extract it out. So actually I'm gonna use this today because I had a stubborn screw that kind of stuck in the doorknob, so I'm gonna go and get that out right now. So I'm gonna actually put it to the use. So I've been waiting to use this because I had this thing for like 10 days and I haven't been able to use it yet because I actually want to give you guys an honest review and see if it worked. And it got one of those little as seen on TV logos, but it's bootleg because it just says TV. It don't say as seen on TV, but anyway. So that's kind of what the packaging looked like, just a simple package. So you get 4 of these deals. My light on my camera is kind of getting crazy right now, so I'm trying to. So you get the number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. I have no clue what those is. I guess they're different size, so small, medium, big, biggest, I guess. So yeah, that's kind of depending on the size of the screw. Okay, so I'm gonna use it today, and I'll be right back in like 3, 2, 1. All right, and we back, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, so I got the Easy Out drill bits here. So I got them all set up right here. So this is the lock right here. You can see it right here. It's all messed up. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get the small one. This is the small one here. I think that's the one they want me to use. Let me see. Thinking it's that one. Yep. I'm gonna try this one. And it comes in a little case. It comes in a little case for you. Right there, you can snap it closed, put it in the truck or your tool bag. This is a neat little device. So I'm gonna put it on my drill bit right now. If it fits. Hold on, it might not fit on this. On DeWalt. Okay, it fits. Okay, good. So I want to drill it out, right? So I got it on my nice DeWalt. Got it on there, so I'm gonna drill it out. Let's see how this works. Man, I need to go the other way. Okay, I think I got it drilled out. So now I'm gonna see if I can flip it the other way. This thing barely fits on my DeWalt. Okay, see if we can pull it out now. That's not working. Hold on. Let's see. Drill out, flip bit, reverse it. Okay. Maybe I need a bigger one. Hold on. Let's try a bigger one. Let's go up a size. Because right now it ain't working, folks. Putting it to the test right now, live in action. My video gonna be long, but you know, it's live. one thing, I'm having a problem getting this bit in here. This bit don't like this DeWalt. Okay, there we go. So I'm gonna try a bigger one now. Now this is reverse, this is forward. So that's drilling it out. Okay, let's get up in here. Okay, now I'm gonna reverse it. You're watching it right now. Live in effect, so that's what it did. You can see that it drilled it, kind of drilled it out. I'm gonna reverse it. This does not work, folks. This thing does not work. This is trash. Wow. It's not working. Wow. Well, that's trash, ladies and gentlemen. That does not work. Wow. I'm gonna try a different one. Dang, this is trash. I'm gonna try the big one. I know the bits are hot. Yeah, this is garbage. This thing does not work at all. Let's try. I'm gonna try the biggest one. At least if this don't work, I drill the whole thing out. Wow, this doesn't work. This one ain't gonna even fit. Hold on. Wow, this thing does not work. This is trash. Hold on, let me try this one. It's a little bigger one. This is trash. Man, this is crazy. It doesn't work. All it did was just make a mess. Well, folks, you looking at it right here. Maybe my drill is too powerful. I don't know. It ain't coming out. Unless I'm doing it wrong. It says, drill it, flip the bit, extract it. Look at these tips. Make sure I'm doing it with the right tip. Yeah, this is not working. Huh. Wow. This ain't doing nothing but making a dang mess. Unreal. Unreal. This is unreal. This doesn't work. Wow. Unbelievable. Unfreaking believable. This is unbelievable. Wow, I don't know what I'm gonna do now. Unbelievable. This thing does not work. This thing is a piece of trash. Oh man. This is unreal. I'm gonna try the biggest one. Hold on, folks. I gotta get a different drill. This is unbelievable. This thing does not work. This is the biggest drill bit here. Let's see what this gonna do. This doesn't work. It doesn't work. The thing is a piece of trash. I'm giving this thing thumbs down. Doesn't work. Not at all. I just tried it. I mean, you guys watched it. I put the fattest drill bit on here. This is the biggest size. I can't get it to work. I can't get it to work at all. So, yeah, it's not gonna work. Thumbs down. So the review on this easy out, strip screws out fast, no go, not work for me. You guys was able to get this thing to work for you. Good luck to you, but this thing does not work for me. I'm trying it right in front of your faces. It's not grabbing the screw. All it's doing is drilling the screw in even more. So yeah, absolutely failure. So there you go. 5 stars, 5 thumbs down, 1 star. All right, thanks, ladies and gentlemen. Catch me on my next review. Make sure you hit that like, subscribe, and share button. Peace.